come out in front of us. We're going to uncross the legs and we'll meet in our all fours. You can have your toes tucked or untucked, whichever you prefer. As you next inhale, lift your gaze, lift your chest, calf, spine. So you exhale, curl up, pushing into the mat, feeling that space between the shoulder blades, cat spine. We move through a few more, just moving with your own breath, inhaling to open up your chest, exhaling to push into the hands, feeling that space across the top of the back. Go for one more round, inhaling to lift and exhaling to curl. Next, inhale, lift your gaze. As we exhale, we tuck the toes. We're going to send the hips all the way back, coming to our downward facing dog. And then here you can wiggle it out, maybe swaying the hips, anything that feels good, just easing into the backs of the legs.